Okay, so this media project, where you can find all of the information for it, is in Unit 3. So you click on Content in the course and then go to Unit 3, The Power of Language and Media Project. Lesson 312, if you scroll down, is where you will find all the lessons, all of the assignment documents for this project. Okay, so the main thing you need to do is go into lesson 312 and go through that lesson if you have not yet done so. There's a lot of information in this one that will help you. It also has all of the documents as well. So go through, get ready, learn, and practice in lesson 312 and review. And then if you go into the assessment folder, you'll see the assignment sheet, the template that you can use to complete the project. There are examples of past projects in there. Your rubric is in there. Again, it's out of 60 points, so you'll want to go through that. There's also a graphic organizer. The template should probably be enough to plan it, but if you need the graphic organizer, definitely do so. So I'm going to go through the assignment sheet. I also want to show you, so in lesson 312, all of this information is in there. Also, if you click on the media project helpful documents, those documents are in there too. So just going to show you, it goes through some directions in this folder. So you're going to click on the media project, make sure you download it. It says it is due March 31st. It is worth 60 points. So you are creating a media project about one of the following topics: your family heritage, a place or location that is important to you, or a possible career choice for you. So for example, your family heritage, you would be thinking about where your family is originally from. Like generations ago, my family came from Ireland and Italy. If I were choosing family heritage, I would choose one of those places and research it. So in my case, my family, my Italian side is from Genoa, Italy. So I would go ahead and research the city of Genoa and find out information about it for my project. Okay. So your family heritage, you're not doing a family tree like where your Aunt Sandy, you're not going to write about your Aunt Sandy and your grandmother. You're going to research where your family is originally from. So one of those places. I know a student in my one class last year did Puerto Rico because that's where their family was from. Number 2, your other option is a place or location that is important to you. A lot of students every year might do a vacation place that they've gone to, so somewhere they've gone on vacation. Someone has done their hometown before. Like if your hometown is big enough that you can research it, definitely you can go ahead and choose that as your research topic. If you come from a very small town, you might want to pick maybe even a bigger town that's located near you. The other option for a place or location that is important to you, and students have done this in the past, a few students have chosen somewhere that they would like to visit eventually. So maybe there's a place in your mind that you're like, you know what, I really want to go there someday. That's what I want to research. That would be fine with me. The third option is a possible career choice. So you want to make sure you're researching whatever specific career you are planning to choose for your topic. So doctor, veterinarian, mechanic, whatever that career choice would be, you're choosing that to research, and that's what your project will be on. So that's your topic. But remember, it's called a media project because you have to include different types of media, meaning text, audio, video, or visual image. So text would be information that you find out about your topic. If you find the information online, you would save the website where you find the information from. And text are words. Okay, so I'm expecting to see explanation within this assignment. You would automatically have text as one of your media types. Audio. So sometimes students will include an audio link of a song or something that represents their topic, and I would click on the link and be able to listen to it. Another option could be radio, podcast, something that I'm able to click on and listen to that is about your topic or adds to your topic. Video, a lot of times students include maybe a video from YouTube about the place they're researching, about the career choice they have come up with that they are researching. You would include your video link on your slide so I could click on it and actually go watch the video. All right, a lot of students use YouTube for that. Visual images include photographs, cartoons, a chart, a map, a picture, a drawing. Visual image can really be pretty much anything. Again, you're finding all of this information though online, or if you find another source, you're going to figure out how to include it a different way. But you need to include at least 3 of these. The other thing you need to include is an example of a meaningful symbol or some kind of personification that represents your chosen topic. So meaningful symbol, if you are researching a career as a doctor, maybe you include a stethoscope. If you are researching a specific country or city, you might include the flag of that specific country and talk about how it is representative. Personification. This one's a little bit trickier to find, but you might be able to find some information. Like think about when we read Here is New York, the personification of Manhattan as a city, of New York City. There was actually a personification example. So you might be able to find that. That one might be a little bit trickier. So you're going to have examples as you do your research. Just make sure you have different examples of media types, and you're going to put it all together in an informational project. I want to walk away having learned something about your family heritage or a place or location that is important to you or a possible career choice. I don't want to just see a pretty PowerPoint. I want to learn something about your topic. So I want to go ahead and show you some of the examples and also the template that you can use. And all of the examples are found in your lessons. So this person chose to do Coming Home to the Teton Valley. Right off the bat on their first slide, they have visuals. So they have that media type of visual. And if I clicked on this link here, I would actually be able to hear audio. So they have 2 types of media right on this first slide. The second slide has a visual, and it gives information about the Teton Valley. It's called Victor, Idaho. It gives information about it. There's our text. So they have this 3 media types that they need to include. They're not done their project though. You want to give me more information, so I'm still learning. Again, they have the audio link there as well. The next slide has history and culture. Again, there's more audio. There's more information. There's more video. I'm sorry, more pictures. Same here, more photographs, more information. It also gives us the symbol. Teton, they're saying, is the mother of the valley. And then they're going to explain why it would be representative of a mother. So that's their symbol they're saying here. In this case, they might want to include some kind of video link that I can watch that is representative of Teton Valley. And then their last slide is the works cited. So your last slide, if you would like to format it correctly as a works cited, that is great. If you only include the website links, I'm okay with that as well. Let me show you another example. Media project example 2 is a career as a veterinarian. This is a student did this last year. So the first slide they have is life as a veterinarian. They're giving me text and information. The next slide, they give more information about being a veterinarian, and then they give me those media type of illustrations, the photographs. One of the other slides includes a YouTube video, what it's like to be a veterinarian. I would click on that and watch it. Again, you want it to relate to your topic so I can learn something about it. The next slide gives even more information about salary, the demand for veterinarians, and so on. The only thing this student forgot to include was a symbol or personification. So on a slide here, you would include some type of symbol that would represent being a veterinarian and then explaining why. And then this person also included like why they would want to be a veterinarian, examples, and so on. And their last slide includes where they got their information from. Okay, so that's what I want to see for your project. It's a fun project. You just need to make sure you're including the correct elements. I'm going to show you the last example. This person chose Bergen, Norway as family heritage. So their family is originally from Bergen, Norway, generations ago. So they decided to research Bergen, Norway. So they have the visuals, they have a map, they have information about Bergen. So they have the text there. I like that this person includes captions for the photos as well. It's easier for me to understand what I'm looking at, so that was nice. They include information about when it was established, historical buildings, type of weather there. Again, I learned a lot about Bergen from this project. This one is a video about Bergen. You could just include the YouTube link on here and I could click on it and watch it. The only thing they forgot was this symbol or personification. So that's, they could have included maybe a flag of Norway or something and explained why it would be a symbol. And then again, the last slide, you can see they included their website links. All right, so that is this media project. The last thing I want to show you is the template. Most students last year used the template to complete the project. So if you would like, you download this PowerPoint and you insert your information on each slide. So you would take out your you would take this wording out and tell me what your topic is here. You would put your name here, include a photo, and so on. Basically, you're just going through each slide, inserting your information about your topic, okay? And if you do include all of this information, you would have all the elements that you need. So I want you to have fun with it. The main things, you need to include the media types, at least 3. So text, audio, video, and visual, photos, etc. And then you need to include a symbol and your resources. Okay, so that is what that is the project. Let me know if you have questions. You can submit it in the 312 lesson in the workshop assessment folder. So get ready, assessment due March